Hey everyone, welcome to this very important video, which I wanted to share with you before you fall madly in love with ChatGPT and start sharing all kinds of things. I'm talking about the importance of keeping your sensitive data secure when using ChatGPT. If you're working on projects that involve sensitive information like from government documents or company trade secrets or health records and similar information, in such cases, you should be careful about what you share with ChatGPT or any other third-party platform. So let's see what we can do to safeguard our sensitive information when using ChatGPT. Look to the left menu and then click Updates and FAQ. You'll see this page shows up. This is where the OpenAI team shares the latest news on ChatGPT. They also have a Discord server, which I'll show you in another video. For now, let's search for a keyword, opt-out, and select this option, how your data is used to improve model performance. It's encouraging to read that the team at OpenAI takes our data privacy very seriously, and you can read everything, all the measures that they take. However, to opt out of data analytics, you can follow some steps. Let's scroll down. First, for free users, it's a little more involved. You can send an email to support@openai.com along with your organization ID. So what's your organization ID? You can click this link and you can click login. You can enter your email and then click continue. Enter the password, click continue. And now you're logged into the OpenAI platform. And under settings, you'll find your organization settings. This is the name and this is the ID. You can copy the ID and include it in your email that you want to disable data analytics for your ChatGPT account. However, things are a little easier for ChatGPT Plus users. This time, let's search for ChatGPT Plus and select the first option, ChatGPT Plus. And in here, let's search for an option for opting out. At this time, this is number 9. So they tell you that please fill out this form. So there's a form you can access by clicking this link. This is a Google form. You can enter the email associated with your ChatGPT account here. And you can enter your organization ID and your organization name in these fields. How can you get them if you are coming straight to this part of the video and you did not watch something that I showed you before? You can still click these links. They will take you to your platform.openai account. And under settings, you'll see your organization name and your organization ID. You can copy both the things and you can paste them here and click submit. So now that I've shared this important message with you, it's time for one more video before you can unleash the ninja powers of ChatGPT in your life. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.